Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to set up Slow DNS on ZIVPN so you can get a more stable and reliable VPN connection. If you've had trouble with Slow DNS before, this guide will walk you through installation to final setup in a simple way. Let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type ZIVPN and install the app. Once it's installed, launch ZIVPN and you'll arrive at the app's home screen. On the home screen, look for the Slow DNS option and check the box to enable it. This activates Slow DNS features in the app. Next, open a web browser and search for VPN Jan. From the results, open the official VPN Jan website. This site lists servers for different VPN protocols. Open the menu and choose VPN servers, then select SSH tunnel servers to view available locations. Pick a server near your region for better performance or a server listed as valid for several days if you need a longer account. Tap Create Server Account, enter a username and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and tap Create. After a few moments, your SSH server account will be created. Copy the server details, IP, port, username, password, since you'll need them in ZIVPN. Return to the ZIVPN app and enter the SSH server details into the corresponding fields. IP, port, username, and password. Next, tap the menu, the hamburger icon, at the top left and select Slow DNS Settings. A pop-up will appear where you should enter the DNS server, name server, and public key information. Fill these fields with the values provided by your server or service, then tap Save. Finally, go back to the main ZIVPN screen and tap Start to connect. If everything is set up correctly, the app will connect using Slow DNS and your VPN session will begin. You can also choose a default server before connecting by tapping the arrow next to the server field and selecting an available option. That's it. A complete step-by-step setup for Slow DNS on ZIVPN. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more detailed tech guides. Leave any questions in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.